What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're back with another video.
Nobody ever made me feel this way. I'ma stick with you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Tricks that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for a brother, so
Hey guys, so today I'm doing a skincare routine, and I've already started, but I'm using my Alert Essential, and this is the turmeric and tea tree oil bar. It's half turmeric and half tea tree oil. I'm using it for today. Excuse my hair, but I'm about to wash my face off, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so after going in with the turmeric side of the soap, I went back in with the tea tree side of the soap, and I washed my whole face with it. I rinsed it off. Then I moved into the face scrub.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now with the clean face, I go in with the Alert Essential exfoliating scrub, and I scrub my face. Also, while scrubbing, I also scrub my lips with the GLAMEYERX Pharmacy Medical Lip Scrub. All the details will be in the description box below. Now it's time to rinse off the scrubs. So now I'm going to rinse off all the scrubs. I'm going to dry my face, and then I'm going to apply the Alert Essential Beauty Glow Serum. I'm going to put that all over my face and moisturize my whole face with it. And then I'm going to be finished. Here's the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Here will be some clips of more things you can get from GLAMEYERX Pharmacy. Again, all the links will be below.